Hello guys, come back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about first-time maritime lawyers. Amputation treatment. Surgery is required to treat a lost limb or to amputate the limb. And you have her surgery, you may still need extensive physical and emotional therapy to help you restore the neurology or missing limb or using a prosthetic limb. This payment can be difficult for an injured maritime worker to handle, especially while supporting a family. Our friend often has to help our client report their financial security in the wake of costly medical treatment. This is why it is vital to control maritime amputation injury as soon as possible. And you, know you. Recovering compensation for amputation injuries. If you suffer severe injuries in a maritime accident that require amputation, you have the right to recover. Receive compensation if loss is a financially costly loss. Parties face treatment costs for the risk of their life. Under maritime law, you have several avenues for recovery damage, especially if negligence is involved, since maritime law is different from laws on land. It is vital to contract and experience maritime amputation injuries attorney as soon as possible to help you receive the best possible result for your case. Understanding maritime injuries. The Center for Disease Control is prepared for examining fatal maritime injuries from even those working in the offshore oil and gas industry are 7 times more likely due to the workers in other industry, where the oil and gas industry is the only common sector for maritime injuries. And 10 people are on a vessel or working in the maritime industry. The worst conditions are present, and vessel owner and employee must take appropriate measures to protect them. Those in case of a vessel and responsible for maritime injuries, vessel owner and employee must ensure they provide safety daily while workers and ensure that their ships and are seaworthy. This is true even in the anything people are on a vessel or working in the maritime industry. Dangerous conditions are present, and vessel owner and employee must take appropriate measures to protect them. Those inside a vessel are responsible for maritime injuries. Vessel owner and employee must ensure they provide safety training for workers and ensure that their ship and are safety. This is true even in the face of natural disaster and heavy weather like hurricanes and tropical storms. Rocks, seas, and no issues for a vessel collapsing or sinking if the owner crew of the storm and fail to evacuate crew or take measures to avoid it. Vessel owner and employee are responsible for making sure the following exist. Offshore workers who sustain maritime injuries have a chance for recovery through the Jones Act. As long as the Maritime Marine this protect your citizen workers offshore. If it enables injured workers to hurt, vessel owner are accountable for failing to protect their safety. Penonton setia aku tak kalah udah marian kue. Sorry ya bestie. Essentially, the channels as provide similar protection to ocean workers that did offshore counterparts enjoy. It requires employees and vessel owner to be responsible and hold them accountable for negligence. Recovering full costs for maritime and offshore accident. Following a serious accident injury, seamen may face a host of course that do not only have the immediate impact but can affect them for years. In almost all cases, the immediate effect are obvious in the inability to work, step bills, and the pain and suffering associated with the injuries or illness. Even the future costs of rehabilitation are often well-known. However, it's not always easy to say when the future cause of an injury will be. In some cases, the individual may require lifelong medical attention or may eventually pass away from the side effects. For this reason, it is crucial that the injured and the family recover justice are the injury under maritime law. Maritime injuries, do you know your rights after an accident? One of the most important things you can do is to ensure all of your needs are met medically, legally, emotionally, and financially. However, this can be difficult. Therefore, it is important to keep in mind of you issues that could become promise. First, remember, you have the legal right to select your doctor. Never feel obligated to those the doctors always are attending physical. Your personal or insurance company may be focusing on you after you will need to see the recommended doctor for an evaluation. But this is the extent of your obligation. Because fortune money is up to you, so you earn should not be treated by any employer or register you might be working with in regards to your case. Second, you are entitled to medical treatment. The provision of medical benefit is protected under the Jones Act, so injured maritime workers need to worry about being compensated for recovery. Okay, guys. This is for discussion about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you next time.